So the Windows 10 Start menu. First thing is you can always right click on the Start menu, and this is called the secret Start menu. I don't really see how secret it is, but it is a nice shortcut to some specific things if you need to get there, like maybe you need to change how often your computer's going to sleep, or it's just turning off too quickly, or the screen's going dark, or maybe you need to change like the brightness settings in your control panel. So you can do that by just right clicking on Start to get to this. But if I just click on the Start menu, I'm going to find that on the very left-hand side, the top icon, obviously is a shortcut for signing out, or I can lock my computer screen. This is again a shortcut to settings, so a lot of the stuff that you're going to see if you right-click the Start menu would also be here under settings. And then this is a shortcut for power options, like if you just want to put your computer to sleep, shut it down, or restart it. In the middle of the list, I have all the applications that have been installed on this computer. And then over to the right where my tiles are, these are my own personal shortcuts, and I can set this up any way that I want by just clicking and dragging these tiles or adding new tiles. So for instance, let's say that I want to have, I don't know, a shortcut to the calculator over here. All I'm going to do is right click on it and say Pin to Start. And it's going to take that icon and I can move it anywhere that I want. The other thing is that you can right click on any of your tiles and you can either unpin them from Start and get rid of them. You can resize them. Some of them give you more options with the resizing. So if I hit like small, it makes it a teeny tiny tile. And I can do like the same with any of those, make it small. And then you can kind of rearrange these any way that you want. I can also make a shortcut here or a tile for any folder. So if you notice, like I have a folder here that's actually from my desktop. So if I want to put a folder on my Start menu, I can just right click on it and I can say Pin to Start, and that folder will show up here like some of the other icons that I have. Again, if you right click on a tile, depending on what the tile is, like for Publisher or some of these that have like Word where you have all these different files, it does give you a list of the most recent files that you've used. So it's kind of a nice shortcut to open stuff that you've been working on recently. And the other thing is that most of these, in addition to being able to be placed as a shortcut on the Start menu, you can right click them and say, if I go to more, I could say Pin to the taskbar as well, and that'll put a copy of the shortcut down here on my taskbar as well.